Have air conditioning. There's a bar on every car. Every car has its own bartender. Yep, and we do this complimentary service for you guys. Drive around the parking lot to make sure everybody can get to the train on time. All right.
Thank you, Matthew.
We have arrived. You guys all have a fantastic day, and I hope you guys enjoy your ride.
Thank you. I'm glad we made it, honey. We're taking the Verde Canyon Wilderness route. Next train leaves at 5:30, so good thing we made it.
Sidecar, and your car is right over there. Just follow him.
Right on, thank you.
How cozy! Yum. Get your glasses ready. Woo. Woo! Cheers!
So they have a nice wine list and some specialty beers. It's all very nice. And a bar at the end of the park.
Oh, nice.
You want to get some shade, Molly?
There's all these little ones right there. Right there. The big black.
Right on the peace train.
Right on the peace train.
The lime was transported to the Clarkdale smelter, where it was used as a flux or fusing material in the copper smelting process.
I was waiting for this song. Gambler, too tired to sleep. Okay. The darkness, ready, see. Over to a ghost. Yes.